Okay, we're gonna work with the frame tool. So that's this tool below the crop tool, okay? The frame tool is just what it is. It's a placeholder frame. Okay, so let's say I'm creating, I want the top half of my, or a third of my page to show the Notion. Okay, what I'm gonna do is make a new layer because I can't work on the background. And I'm going to have a little border. Okay, oh, let me show you that again. When I click the frame tool, I should have done this at the top. You can decide if you want a circle or if you want a rectangle or a square. Okay, I'm gonna do the square one first. That was my fault. I'm gonna click and drag. I want a little bit of a border over there. Okay, and now this is a frame. So you'll see it's showing that there's this white frame area. And I wanna put an image in there. And I wanna move my frame over. There we go. Okay, and I'm going to do File, Place Embedded. Oops. I apologize. File, Place Embedded, and I'm going to grab a photo. I told you guys I have Notion on here. I'm going to say Place. Now it's going to throw that image in there, and it's not going to look right. Okay, so what you need to do is if you don't show these transform controls, you need to push Control T, and they'll pop up. Control T. Okay, and now what I can do is I can stretch this out. Okay, and then I can move it around to where I want it. Either up at the top, push the check mark, or just enter. And what it is going to do is now it is a frame. Okay, it's just a simple placeholder for me. Okay, so there it is. You can do the same thing. I'm going to click my frame tool and do a circle, okay, or an ellipse. I'm going to hold the shift key down because I want a perfect circle. I'm going to move it over so that you can see my move tool. Okay, and now I'm going to throw a butterfly in there. Random butterfly image. Again, File, Place Embedded. Place. And it's going to throw it in there. Okay, again, if you don't see the transform controls, Control T. Okay, and then what I can do is I can adjust this butterfly in here. Again, it's holding a frame for me. That's what it's doing. Say I like that. Push enter. Okay, and now I have two placeholders.